Origami has a big problem. There aren't enough ways to challenge your folding skills amongst your friends. Well, I have a solution that not only grants you that opportunity, but supports your favorite artists at the same time.
That's right, the OBB Origami Competition is back, with a brand new model to showcase your creativity, the Plantcient Dragon. For the past 20 years, the most popular complex dragon in origami was generally considered to be Satoshi Kamiya's ancient dragon. While this design will forever be remembered as a landmark in the evolution of complex origami design techniques have advanced a long ways in the past decades since then. That's where Plant's ancient dragon, aka the Plantcient Dragon, comes in. This design uses an advanced technique called non-uniaxial 22.5, which produces designs that are organic, efficient, and most importantly, enjoyable to fold. So will this new design be able to live up to its predecessor? Only time will tell, but for now, the diagrams will only be available through this OBB competition. So right now, you have the opportunity to be one of the first people to ever fold this model. Also, I will be personally reviewing all of your folds, so make sure to post online and tag us so we can check it out and reshare it. I'll also be working with shaping expert Ani and 22.5 design expert Travis, and after looking through all the submissions, we will be selecting a winner.
Winner? Winner gets a prize, an ebook of your choice from Origami Shop, as well as a free ticket to the Origami World Marathon, an upcoming online origami convention. This has a total price of about $100, and you get to join the Hall of Champions on my website. So you're interested in joining and leveling up your folding skills. Let me tell you exactly how to enter the competition and some advice on making a winning submission. Let's start with your homepage for the competition. This is obb.design/comp, and it's where you're going to find all the information and all of the rules. So first up, let's take a look at how to enter. So here is the link for the dragon diagrams, and by purchasing the diagrams, you are automatically entered into competition. You can buy the diagrams and not compete. It's totally okay. It will still support all the artists and the judges. Once you've purchased your diagrams, you will fold the model and submit. But how do you submit? And to submit, you're going to click on this button, Submit Your Fold, which will take you to the battle website. Here, you'll be able to click and see all the other people's submissions, as well as make an account to submit your own. You're going to be allowed 3 photos. And yeah, once you submit, you can take a look at some other people's folds. Here, I just have myself with some test photos. So you have the diagrams and you're ready to fold. But where do you get the materials to make your dragon? That brings us to the competition sponsor, Papertree. Papertree is an origami store located in Japantown, San Francisco, and they've been supporting the origami community for decades. They sell origami books, origami paper. They have a beautiful shop, and this is going to be the perfect one-stop shop for you to get your materials for the dragon. I recommend checking out the sheet paper section, where you can find handmade papers perfect for complex origami. I've used quite a few for my own designs, like the sugarcane paper and kukuri paper. You can also find glue for shaping if you don't have that yet, and even methyl cellulose if you want to be treating your own papers. Once again, thank you Papertree for supporting the OBB competition and the origami community for over 55 years. If you're watching this, go support local and check out their website or their store if you can make it there in person. Let's continue to explore this page. So if I scroll down, we can see our prize, which is pretty cool, as well as our panel of judges, and you can click the images to follow them yourself. And now for one of the most important parts of this competition, the rules. So your deadline is going to be April 30th, and you just have to submit on that website I showed before. You can submit up to 3 photos on the submission site, and if you need to make a new submission, just let me know and I can remove your old submission so you can upload a new one. Some more important rules are what is allowed. And so that would be glue and MC for shaping. You can also paint your paper or your origami model, but you can't cut your paper. We're going to know. Also, if you distribute or post the diagrams illegally, you're going to be disqualified with a permanent ban, and I'm going to know who you are. And the last rule is if you're under the age of 18, make sure you have parental consent to purchase the diagrams and to post your photos publicly online. Next, let's break down the judging. So the judges are going to score with this scale from 0 to 10, and this will create essentially a top 10. From those top 10, there will be a unanimous winner chosen by our judges for the whole competition. I recommend you read this so you know exactly what the judges are looking for. Now, I believe you're all set to compete.
This is your chance to make this model your own and really show off what you've got. I hope you'll enjoy folding it as much as I did. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your folds. All this
All this origami